is going to be a great day because new clothing is on my way. That just rhymed. That was cool. Welcome to my channel. I'm Kelly Shaffner. Thank you for joining me today. I am going to unbag a Nadine West shipment, and I'm glad that you've joined me for that. If this is your first time visiting this channel, please be certain to subscribe before you leave. Give this video a thumbs up, ladies. It really, really helps me out. I appreciate that. And for my returning subscribers, you guys rock. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. Let me give you a little background on Nadine West. This is an affordable style subscription. You take a style profile, you take a little quiz, and frankly, I think they send you anything that they want to. I don't think they really take that quiz and your preferences into consideration. I might be wrong. It's just my feeling. Wonderful thing about Nadine West is the pieces are very affordable. And I have received some really kind of cool pieces from Nadine West. I have also received some items that I am like, what is this all about? But it is always fun to get this pink package and to try everything on. With Nadine West, there is a shipping charge of $9.78, and they will allow you to use that towards any purchase from this bag. If you don't purchase anything and you send everything back, then you pay that shipping charge. Anything that you send back is sent back in the same bag, so you have to be a little bit mindful when you're opening it up. You don't want to cut right into the bag. And this is what the bundle looks like. Enclosed in this bag, I saw, we have a price list, and somewhere in here will be a mailer. Yeah, we have the mailer so that I can send anything that I don't want back. And usually, yes, it's wrapped in plastic. Okay, what do you think about these colors? That's bundle number 1. So this looks a little fall color to me. This looks awesome. I don't know what it is, but I like those colors. Wow, can you say winter with me? This looks really dark. And that's what I mean. They don't seem to take your preferences into consideration, because I have never said, send me all sorts of dark stuff. So let's open it up and see what's in it. Okay. First up, we have heart hips. It's a blue tunic. They seem to send me a navy blue tunic in every shipment. Okay, look at this. This is a high-low. Okay, this is different. This is a high-low, and it's a sheer fabric on the back. So it's kind of shorter in the back, and then we have that sheer fabric. The front of it is a crew neck with a pocket. It looks like 3/4 length sleeves. I like different and unique. We have a top by West Coast Love, and this is kind of in a plum color. We have interesting detail on the neckline there, and this actually seems to be a little bit long, which I like. So this one might work. This one is Bazzolo. We have another t-shirt, more of that cross detail. That goes up really high. Okay, let's see what that looks like on. This is kind of a rust colored. That's how it appears. I don't know about this one. Okay, bundle number 2. Ooh, I see jewels. I see jewels. Okay, next we have, what on earth? Oh my God, these are horrible. Horrible. These are polyester joggers. We have a ruffle around the waistline, elastic waist. There is a tie, no pockets. We have a gathered ankle. Horrible. This is not my thing at all. Oh, the stitching on this is even kind of, okay. I'm going to try these on. I bet they look great on. And the item I was looking forward to, oh no, we've got a skirt with horizontal stripes. That's going to be awesome. Oh no, an elastic waist. I have a feeling this is not going to work out well. This is not going to be. They've sent this bangle before, I believe. I might be wrong there, but can you see that? That's what it looks like. And I might take it off the card and try it on. Ooh, I have seen other people get this necklace, and it's really tangled, so it's really tangled. If I can get it untangled, I will show it to you, but it has a feather on it, it has a little crystal on it. Perhaps this is a layered necklace. It looks like it might be a layered necklace. So I hope I can untangle this because this might be fun. Again, the last thing are, okay. I like these. These are earrings. We've got some danglies there with some pearls and crystal beads. And okay, these I really like. This is right up my alley. They're kind of subtle and yet they're very, very pretty. All right, first up I have, both of these items are from Heart and Hips. The tag on the skirt actually says Heart and Hips, affordable luxury. I don't know how I feel about that. This is just a knit polyester skirt. I don't like the stripes going this way. I kind of like the color. I thought it would be a top, but this is what it looks like. This shirt is so see-through, I would never consider buying it. I do want to model it for you and show it to you because that's what I do, but this is uncomfortable. So here is the sheer back, and this is what it all looks like. Hey, the one nice thing about this skirt is it pairs well with my new lucky yellow sandals. Other than that, it's not my thing. Not my thing at all. I am really happy to be fully clothed and covered right now, so comfortable with that. Both of these items are by Heart and Hips, and they're close to the same color, but I certainly would never wear these two together. They're way too close to the same color and yet different. Let's start with the top. This is a really nice soft fabric. I like the fabric. I like the color of this top. I like the fit of this top. Okay, what is this though? This lace detail. I think this lace detail, when done correctly, can give a really edgy or even a little sex appeal to an otherwise plain t-shirt. This one is not doing it. The laces are placed up so high, and yet they're too low to be a choker. It's like a little bit loose. Of course, I don't want it choking me, but there's nothing sexy about this. There's nothing edgy about this. It just looks like a bad attempt at trying to add some detail to a blouse that would be great without it. The sweatpants, the joggers, let me show them to you. This is the length on them. And they are pretty comfortable. I would love to have some pockets in these, but no pockets. I also would prefer my joggers to have a little bit more room, but these ones will not shrink because they are polyester. So polyester doesn't tend to shrink much, but I don't want to wear a polyester jogger to lounge in, and that's what I would do in these, is kind of lounge in a lounge. Okay, this is the tee by West Coast Love, and see what I mean about the lace detail? I think this one is done so much better. So it's kind of edgy and it draws the eye to the bust line, but nothing is exposed. It's just a little bit cuter than putting a lace up around the neck. Oh, that's just my thought on that. But check this out. Can you see there's a metal detail there, and see where they just didn't get it right. They didn't take the time to stitch those laces perfectly. In my estimation, they just kind of threw it together. That's what that says to me, because I can see it. My eyes aren't very good, so I know that you can see it. This is my favorite piece in the bag thus far. This is a color I don't have a lot of, so it would be a nice addition to my closet. The fabric is awesome. That's one thing I can say about Nadine West. They generally send really nice feeling fabrics, and this is what the top looks like. I am guessing, you're looking at the prices, but I'm guessing this is probably the most expensive thing in the entire bag, because this is the one thing I am thinking about purchasing. Let me show you the earrings. I say that, I like the earrings. I think I'm going to pick these up. The earrings are normally pretty well priced, so I like to get some earrings from Nadine West. Let's look at the prices. This necklace, I wasn't able to get it untangled. This is called the Layered Elements, and it's in silver. It's $24.99. I feel like it's tangling as I'm holding it here, so I'm gonna set it down. $24.99 is standard pricing for a necklace with Nadine West. I've purchased them before and enjoy the jewelry I've received from them, but this I'm a little bit disappointed about. I know that sometimes jewelry comes tangled, but that's too much. That particular necklace should be at least on a piece of cardboard, because I'm sure it just got tangled in the shipment, but it's too much work to try to figure it out. And I did try, honestly tried. This bracelet is called Forever Filigree. This is $14.99, and it's very pretty. It's not a piece that I'll reach for. I do have so much jewelry that I like to add pieces that are very unique and very affordable. The earrings are called Chained Pearls. These are $10.99. I think I'm going to purchase these. I am going to wear them a little bit longer and see if these chains get tangled, if I have that necklace look going on my ears, because that's not an attractive look, but I really like these. What do you think? Aren't they cute? They look very Kelly to me. Now let's talk about the clothing. The Cross Your Heart, it should be Cross Your Neck top in red. This is $23.49. You guys know my thoughts on that. Then we have the Navy Sheer Love. This is only $13.99. I'm speechless. Golden Days. Oh, this is called Golden Days. That's weird that this purple top is called Golden Days. This top is $27.99. This top is the most expensive thing in the box. I told you it would be. Skirt is called Biz Kaz in yellow, and this skirt is only $13.99. If it didn't have these stripes and if it fit, that is a fabulous price for just an easy wear skirt. I could see this with a pair of chucks and a white t-shirt, but those stripes didn't look good on me. Then we have these joggers. These joggers are called Night Out. Really? These joggers are called Night Out. I don't know if I would wear these on a night out, I guess lights out, but these are $21.49. Let me show you. The elastic is already coming out of these, and yeah, the seam is falling out right there. Oh my gosh. I'm disappointed in this as an option. But the earrings I'm going to keep. Should I keep this shirt? $27.99? Leave your thoughts below in the comment box. I can't wait to hear what you think about this Nadine West. I hope I haven't been too negative. I have pretty high standards when it comes to clothing. I love to shop for clothing, and I buy lots of clothing, but I do want my clothing to be unique and exceptional and well made. I love to get a bargain, but I don't want it to look like a bargain. That's a wrap on Nadine West. I got some great earrings out of the deal. I had a lot of fun trying on the clothing. I hope that you enjoyed watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Just hook a girl up. Thank you very much for your support, and I will have another video for you in 2 days. Be on the lookout for that one. It's going to be about clothing, and I can't wait to see you again. Blessings.